Visayas, we're here at Bingley, Iloilo to feature one of the grand winners of the Iloilo Songbird Year 12. So in just a short while, we will be at the residence of Siray family, of course, to have a short chit-chat with the first runner-up of the 2012 Iloilo Songbird, John Joseph Siray. So stay tuned and keep on watching. Good day, Western Visayas.